fighter turned personal trainer, is ready to help you. I'm kind of afraid.
Yeah, I am a little bit too. All right, Morgan Reagan joins us live from Roseville, California with more. Hey.
You just said something about New Year's resolution. Well, I just ate a whole bunch of toffee, so now I'm here, just stretching it out, doing some yoga. I'm at Jamie Powell Fitness in Roseville. You see, this is yoga. Usually we're all here lifting weights, doing crazy classes, boot camps and everything, but today is Zen Yoga Day. I have it right? Zen Yoga? Yeah. Okay. Yen Zoga. Just kidding. So today is a good day to stretch out. It's Sunday. Why not relax? I want to talk to Julie here because she's actually leading the class. Jamie just incorporated this into the gym. How good is this for everyone that comes here all week and does all these workouts?
It's amazing. You need a balance between all the muscle work. You also need to get past the muscle and get into your connective tissue so that you can lengthen, and this is what does it. It's a perfect balance for you.
Lengthen. That's what we're doing right now. What is this that we're doing right now? Because it looks like we're just all laying here, but tell us what we're doing.
We're holding poses. Yin is done very slowly. If you can imagine your connective tissue and the ligaments, tendons, they're like plastic. So if you were to move them very quickly, they would snap. So the reason we hold poses for 3 to 5 minutes is because it takes time. We want to do it slowly.
And so how important is it after all these hard workouts that, people do actually incorporate some sort of yoga into their lives or some sort of stretching?
They need the balance. Everything is good for you, but too much of one thing is not good. You really, really benefit from this, not just physically, but also mentally, because when do we really slow down in life and take the time to just be? So it's not just body, but it's also the mind, slowing the mind down.
Thank you, Julie. I also really quick wanted to talk to Jamie. She's over here actually doing the yoga, but she's usually just kicking all of our butts, working us out and lifting weights. But this is probably the easiest thing that she'll ever let me do is right here is some yoga. So why did you incorporate yoga into your gym?
It's good for the whole week of strength training with me and doing the classes that I provided for you guys. It's good to stretch out. None of us are going to sit there and hold the stretch for 3 minutes until we're here. And our whole week is really stressful, so it's time to just relax and be one with your mat.
This is so weird. Usually Jamie's not calm at all, so I think yoga is really helping her too, but it's helping all of us. And I mean, honestly, you do. She kicks our butts during the week. There's so many weights and so many classes and everything else. Why is it that, yoga is just something that you felt like needed to be here?
We just definitely need to stretch more, and it's good to just relax. Sometimes we get wound up in our days, and we just go, and sometimes we just need to sit and relax.
So relax, as Aaron Rodgers has said in his, press conference. Cody, you know about that, right? Yeah. So relax, everyone, and have a great Sunday. Back to you guys.
All right, thank you very much.
Just having her talk in her calm Zen yoga voice just calmed me right down.
It's happening today.